Hey, what's going on, guys? Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to take the back off and expose the components on the back of your LG OLED TV. Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome. We have a lot of fun here. Smash that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell notifications so when fresh content comes out, you're the first to know. This is the 55-inch model. Precise model number is 55C7P, and it's pretty easy except for when you get to the top area right up here. You're going to have screws here at the bottom corner. You're going to have a screw that is down in the hole here for the power plug. You're going to come down here for another screw here. You do have to remove the stand after the 4 screws are off. It just lifts straight off of these tabs here. You might have to jiggle it a little bit. Just make sure you do not crack your screen. I do have a big pillow underneath that. Just be careful. Do not crack your screen. After the stand is off, you're going to have your 4 stand screws that are right here, 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 and here. But then you're going to have 2 other screws right there and there. Coming over here, another screw here, and screw down here. And then once those are off, the back will be able to pry up pretty easily. And then I actually had to give it a little bit of a oomph to it. Heard a little popping noise up here. Your tabs, there's like little small tabs up here. And then I kind of lifted this one up and then just gently kind of put my fist on it, kind of like that. And then I popped the other ones up here. Now with the power cord here, easiest thing to do is bring it up and then we're gonna slip this through this way here. And then I can remove the whole entire back plastic cover. All right, those are the tabs that are locked in very tightly up on top that have to kind of snap off a little bit, as we can see right over there, etc. With the back off completely now, let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside of our 55-inch OLED TV. We do have the power supply, which if you want to get rid of the power cord, push in those tabs. So let's go ahead and take a look at our parts here. We have, very simple, because it is so thin up on top, we have our power supply here. We have a nice large speaker here. That's what gives the thickness to it down below here. We have a couple cables going in. This is the remote sensor here. And this right here is our T-Con board, which is then ribboned up to our main board over here. That has, of course, our HDMI ports, Ethernet port, because this is a smart TV, antenna here as well. And then, of course, we're ribboned up over here on this side as well. Of course, your other speaker over here and your switch that goes over here. Other than that, not much to it. Now, I know this TV is very new, but if you do have to make any repairs, it's pretty simple. Unscrew your screws here, here. There's several all over the board. You would just pull out that one, unhook the clips, clip it back in for the power supply board here. Again, 2 ribbons here, 2 clips over here, screws all the way around over here. Just be careful also of your ribbons right over here as well that are going to the screen. Those tabs flip from my fingernail upwards, and there's 4 of them right here. In the same manner as all your clips in here, here, and right up top here. These, of course, would flip left to right to be able to slip those out, and then these pinch in and pull out. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully it has helped you diagnose if you even want to take apart your TV or not. In a few years, when your parts do go bad on this television, hopefully this video will help you be able to take it apart. Now, if you do have a cracked screen, don't throw it in the trash. Don't recycle it. If you want to make a little bit of money off of it, you just take out your board, sell that, sell your speakers. Most likely, take out your power supply, sell your power supply on eBay, Amazon board, and sell your main board. Those parts are going to go for some big bucks. And you can also sell your stand, especially if you are hanging it on the wall. People that do not hang their televisions on the wall do pay for stands. And this is how I make a ton of money selling television parts from cracked televisions, or when people upgrade and they get rid of their older model. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.